Anden's toy review. Here we have the yellow car. It has batteries. Right now it's on. Later we will show you how it works. But let me show you the car. You can open the doors. You see? You see? This one's easier to open than the other one. This is how it came whenever it was in the box. It came like this. And we have antenna. It like goes out. It's antenna that goes to this. And if you do this, because look. That's how it works. The thing is you have to put it together like this if you want to put it out. Boss Baby doesn't have a remote control to his. He just has it often, like, you know the Boss Baby movie? Just hit the subscribe button if you do know the Boss Baby movie. And well, that's it for my toy review, but I'm actually gonna show you how to drive it. So you see, I put it down on the ground. If you have any heavy little toys that you put it in here, it won't work whenever you try to drive it. You have to take heavy stuff out. If you do that, and how you turn it is you press one of these two, and then it just turns. Let me show you. And then if it doesn't turn, just turn it with your hands or feet. If the wheels are dirty, you can clean them. And then if you want it to come back, so that was my toy review. I hope you like it, kids, because I'll do another toy review about cars whenever I find the right cars. Okay? Bye.